To obtain financial freedom, one must either be a business owner, an investor, or both, generating passive income, particularly on a monthly basis. Robert Kiyosaki. Whether you have a steady job or not, having passive jobs is one smart way to make extra cash. A job you can earn from without moving a muscle. Yes, it exists. There are a lot of people that earn from passive jobs, and this is why we will be showing you 7 passive income ideas for beginners in 2022. Selling information material. The age of technology has made passive income very easy. You can sit in your room all day and make more money than the man with a 9-to-5 job. Selling information materials is the new way of earning from teaching. This is when you create very useful and unique information for the consumption of those who need it. The information can be in any form of material that you are comfortable with. It could be an ebook, an audiobook, or even a video. Anything that is of good quality and sellable. Your information could be about anything that you know well enough to teach. After designing this information into a good and fine material, it can be uploaded on sites like Coursera, Skillshare, and Udemy. Then you can sit back, grab a drink, and earn as thousands of students download your material. Create an app. These days, everyone wants a mobile application for everything. Someone somewhere wants an app that will remind them to drink water or even eat. Anything you think is a problem, someone wants an app for it. Just think of anything that you think is a problem. It could be an app that teaches people room organization or interior decor. It could also be a gaming app or a social media app. According to statistics, 16% of Android developers earn up to $5,000 per month, and 25% of iOS developers make over $5,000 passively from the apps they created. Now, if this isn't passive earning, I don't know what is. If you can run a few codes to create a problem-solving app, then you're ready to start earning passively in 2022. Real Estate Investment Trust. Real estate investment is the coolest and surest way of making money by investing. It involves the process of buying stock from real estate and waiting for your shares to accumulate into something huge. All you have to do is buy and wait. You do not need to be actively involved in anything. This is just known as letting your money work for you. It is also a long-term investment. As a result of the worth of appreciation of the land, your income increases with time. However, be very careful with the company you invest in. Real estate is a good investment that we can bet on, but we advise that you are smart with it. A quick side note, if you're enjoying this video, make sure to drop a like and subscribe to the channel for more amazing content. Okay, now let's get back to it. Lease and rent. When you have more than one property, you can decide to earn passively by leasing them out. Leasing and rent work effectively despite where you stay. Everyone needs a place to stay or a space to do something. It is not wise to leave that house that you are not using empty when you could be making cool cash from it. You'll be surprised at how fast you will get customers as soon as you put a sign outside of the property. All you have to do is hire a lease agent or put a sign outside and earn passively. Blogging and vlogging. If you love sitting in front of the camera or writing, you can turn your little hobby into a passive earning job. Blogging and vlogging are the easiest because they won't feel like a duty when you love them. When you control a lot of the traffic on your site, you get the opportunity to earn without breaking a sweat. Everyone loves a well-written story and realistic story. It is a way to either understand or escape reality. If you're good on camera or writing about something interesting, you should consider this in 2022. TikTok. Everyone loves a good TikTok video. More than that, everyone loves a good TikToker with good content. Since 2020, TikTokers have been earning a lot from dancing, singing, and even cosplay. All you need is a strategy, a good camera, a nice background, ring light, or a room with good lighting. Making money has never been more fun and exciting. So, in 2022, download TikTok, start making fun videos and earn. Who knows, you could be the next KB Lame. However, you can also earn as a YouTuber that teaches a lot. Many people don't know what to base their content on YouTube, but it is quite simple. You could also base your content around reviewing products. This way, you will earn passively, become famous, and earn even more from product marketing. Social media influencer. Influencing is one of the highest paying jobs. First, you need to create an online presence on Instagram, Facebook, or Twitter. Then, create content that you will enjoy and you will be consistent with. When you're consistent, you will gain recognition and a lot of followers. With this, you can get paid by brands to promote their products. Every company is looking for a social media influencer. Influencers are closer to the audience than the companies. So, get serious with that social media account again. Well, there you have it, the 7 passive income ideas for beginners in 2022. The world is moving too fast for you just to have one source of income. You really can't get rich with money coming in through a particular way. If you invest in one of these ideas, you're going to get rich without moving a muscle. If getting rich is part of your plan, then this YouTube channel is for you. Make sure to drop a like if you liked the video and subscribe to this channel for amazing content. Also, comment below on what you think is the best way to make passive income.